Hey guys, do you like badminton? Today I will be showing you guys how to make a badminton charm with shrink plastic. So let's get started. So for this project, of course, you will be needing some shrink plastic, and I found mine from Daiso, Japan. You can make a lot of different charms using shrink plastic, and like Rilakkuma or the thing we're making today, a Badminton Birdie. First off, we'll be needing an image of the birdie, so I'm just drawing my own here, but feel free to find images on Google, use it as a reference, or just print them out. As you guys could see, I'm not that great at drawing, but I would say they are okay, and you can also customize it however you like. Our next step is just to trace the pattern onto the shrink plastic, and here I'm securing the plastic with some tape. So for the marker, I am using this Sharpie with a really fine tip, and this is just for fine details, but if you want like a darker line, you can also use the darker tip. So the next part is really relaxing. You can put on some music and just relax. This part might take a really long time, but not all the details have to be really fine because the final project won't be like really big, so you can't really see the details that well. And so just take your time and enjoy this process.
Should I savor every moment like we're running out of time? Should I let bygones be bygones just to ease each other's minds? Why not take it at face value? See the picture black and white. My night vision's kind of blurry, but I'll try.
And here is how it looks like after, and I'm just gonna take the pattern off and fix any mistakes. And here is I signed it off, and I'm adding on some message and writings. Then we are just going to cut out the drawing with some scissors. And don't forget to leave a space for the hole punch, and this is where we will be turning it into a charm. Now it's time to bake it in the oven, and be sure to bake it according to your package instructions, and you can get your parents' help if needed. And this is how it looks like afterwards. It has thickened a lot and it's shrunk into like a charm size, which is what we wanted. And to finish it off, I added on a keychain, but this step is totally optional. And that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys like this video, or if you love badminton personally, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you haven't already. Also comment down below on what videos you want to see next. And it's Sinjin here. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!